Welcome back to Math for class 11. Today is the topic of the function of exercise 2.3. Now definition 1 of function. A relation f from a set A to set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. Definition number 2. A function which has either R or one of its subset as its range is called a real valued function. This is a real value function, important definition. Okay. Further, if its domain is also either R or a subset of R, it is called a real function. Difference of real function and real valued function. This is a real valued function, or this is also range of is called a real valued function, and this only domain is also real function. Now let exercise. Now some function and their graph. This topic, some functions and their graph. This time. Number 1, identity function. Identity function. Identity function. A function, let R means real, be the set of real number. Okay, R be the real number. Define the real valued function. Definition real to real, and y equal to function of x, and this equal to x, but x belongs to real R, is called a identity function. Okay, so domain, range of the R, hence domain and range of f are R. Okay, R. And this graph, this is also single graph. This is a x dash x and y, this y dash. This is a single straight line passing through the origin. It's called a identity function. Number 2, constant function. Constant function. Constant function, let f such that real to real. This f is a function to real. We have a function. So y equal to function of x, this equal to c. C is a constant. Okay, c is constant. So c is constant. So c is also belongs to R. F is R. So and its range is C, means constant. So this type function y dash x dash x. So this function is constant function. This value C. Okay. And third, polynomial. All are important point. Polynomial function. Okay, read 3-4 times this definition of the polynomial. Functions. A function f such a real to real is said to be a polynomial function. This y equal to function of x, this equal to 0, a1 coefficient, okay, x, a2 x square plus so on, an xn is the polynomial. Okay, this is a polynomial. So a1 a2 belongs to real, a0 a1 a2 so an belongs to real, and x is a variable. Okay, so this is a variable. So this integer, this is also integer. Okay, next question, 4 definition number 4, rational function. Rational function, this form f real to real, that is f of x upon g of x, but g of x is not equal to 0. Okay, this is a rational function. 5, the modulus function. Important, modulus function. All functions are important for 12th class, okay, and completion. The function f such that real to real, function of x equal to modulus, mode of x. Mode of x is a modulus function. This values is equal to x if x is greater than equal to 0, minus x, and if x is less than. This is an important point. Okay, modulus function, you can take modulus to x and greater than in positive value, negative and positive. The modulus of the negative positive are positive value. Okay, so this is a y. This is also modulus function. This modulus function y graph. Next. Okay, this is origin and same length of this angle at origin about y-axis are same. Okay, so this is a y equal to minus x, y equal to plus x. This plus x minus x. And say next 6, signum function. Signum function. Signum function, the function is a signum function, but f real to real, or a real number function. So this function of x is equal to, this is a value fixed, signum function is fixed, 1, 0 and -1. Okay, this if x is greater than 0, if x equal to 0, if x is less than 0, greater than 0, equal to 0 and less than, it's called a signum function. It's called signum function. Okay, or this graph is also, and this type positive, this negative, x dash and x and y also. Next, 7, greatest. This is the greatest integer function. Greater means the function f real to real. Okay, this function real to real is real to real. This function of x equal to capital, close in capital bracket, both sides. This is the greatest integer function. Assume that the value of greatest integer less than or greater than, equal, less than or equal, less than or equal, less than and equal means less than and this equal symbols. 2x means less than or equal to x, or less than means low value, the low value of x or equal to x, such that a function is called greatest integer function. Okay, so this is also this function is modulus equal to -1, 4, -1 is less than equal to x is less than 0, so less than equal to this minimum value -1, and x this equal to 0, 4 in this interval, 0 is less than equal to x is less than 1, and less than 0, and this x equal to 1, 4, 1 is less than equal to x is less than 2, this 1 is less than equal to x, this x equal to 2, 4, 2 is less than x is less than 3, so on. This value system is going to continue. Okay, now let exercise number simple and short exercise. This exercise 2.3. This first question. Now let first question. This interval. Which of the following relation are function? Which following are function? And if any case, give reason. Which of some relation are function? Give reason. If it is function, then find domain and range. Find domain and range. If a function, then also find the domain and range. So first question, first part is also given 2, 1, 15, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1, and 14 comma 1 and 17 comma 1. This is also relation. So and find A is first set domain. So 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17. Okay, and then B equal to 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 are set. So this is also this relation A to B. This function is A to B is a relation. It is a relation. But domain, different domain belongs to single element of the range. So that is range is single, but domain, this is also a relation, not a function. This is not a relation, not a function. Is clear? Here different this value are different, yani B value are different and A value are different is called a function. So same. So this is also okay. And second part I think second part 2 comma 1 and 4 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 8 comma 4, 10 comma 5, 12 comma 6 and 14 comma 7. I think this type question. Okay, second part. So and find A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, and then find B 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This both are different. Okay, so both are different. The 1 to 1 by the definition of function. What is the definition of function? Every element of set A is ranged in set B. Every element of set A in one and only one set in B. One and only one. So one set in. So one element match to one element match to one. So one element, one range, no other way. So no more range. This is a function. So by the definition of function, one and only one image in B in set B of set A. Okay, very short definition. This is it. So therefore it is a function. Then function. So A is also domain. Or this is also range. Clear? Get your answer. And now let exercise question number 2. I think find domain and range. Domain and range of number first function of x equal to minus modulus of x. This is a modulus function. Definition by modulus function. Clear? So this minus function. So x, every value, positive value of x is domain. Every value negative, so that is modulus of x is positive. Clear? So modulus of x positive, the domain. So domain is also positive value. Clear? The positive value. When the modulus of x is positive, so then every value of x is positive. The modulus function is also positive. Clear? So there's x, this x belongs to real. Take any value of real. So take value minus, plus, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, etc. So all values are real. So then putting this value function, so are to not explain this here, so only on right here x belongs to real. Clear? So this is a short time method. And This also domain. Domain means every element of A set is a x belongs to real. X belongs to real. तो all value belongs to x की वैल्यू किस में बिलोंग करेगी? रियल में. All value of x is real. तो real value is a set or set is also domain. Clear? Second, range. So let y equal to function of x. This is a formula. So this equal to minus modulus of x. So this y equal to minus modulus of x. So modulus value is also positive. So positive putting in this the minus and plus. Minus into plus value equal to minus. So y is also negative value. Clear? So y is also range. Function of x is value of the function of x is called a range. So y equal to function of x is also another function, that is set b. So this value is a set b. So y equal to negative value because x is positive. So x is positive, modulus x is positive, plus and minus equal to negative. So this lie in infinity value. So this is also minus infinity. So range this equal to minus infinity to 0. Okay, maximum reach to be 0 and less than minus infinity, not infinity closed. Okay, so small bracket and capital bracket, that's your answer. Can you solve? I hope this question was already clear. Okay, and next second part of question number 2, second part. The function of x equal to under root 9 minus x square. Okay, 9 minus x square. So this find the domain under root. So this is also y. Okay, so this domain, so my 9 minus x square is domain. So this modulus function is greater than equal to 0, and 9 minus x square greater than equal to 0. So 9 is greater than equal to x square, or this plus minus value is greater than equal to x, then x is less than equal to minus 3 and 3. So x domain is equal to minus 3 to 3. You can say that domain is equal to minus 3, minus 2, so on. Okay, and plus 3. You can say, you can write here. Okay, this interval or this interval. So x belongs to real, so this belongs to a domain. And range, that y is also function of x. You can putting these value of domain in the function. Minus 3 is 0, or plus 3 is also 0, minus 2, minus 1, so on, and this value are also lie in range. So our second method, let y equal to under root 9 minus x square, squaring on both sides, y square equal to 9 minus x square, this x square and y square equal to 9, which is circle. This is the equation of circle. So circle x square y square, this is also range. This x square plus y square equal to r square, r be the radius of circle. So r equal to, therefore r equal to 3. You do x dash, x and y, this is a center. Draw a circle. Okay, so draw a circle. This value is 3, this is value is 3, so radius of a circle. This is also 3, so this point is 3, 0, this value is minus 3, 0, this value is 0, 3, and this value equal to 0, minus 3. So y is a range, y is a range. So y is range, the value of y axis. So y equal to minus 3 to 3. So y is 3 and minus 3. So this is also same. The domain and range are same. Okay. And question number 3, 4 and 5 solve. Because this type question is 9th class question type, 9th base question. Function of 1, function of minus 2, function of 3, that is t of minus 2, t of 1, t of 3, this type question. So in putting the value of x, as x is also given t of 0, so t is given a function, and putting the value of 0 and then find the t of 0, t of 2, and extra, etc. Okay, and solve and complete your exercise. If any doubt, you can ask and send this question. Okay, thank you.